Welcome guys, today I'll be checking out the RK R65, and to be clear, this is not a sponsored video. Let's start with the unboxing. I have been using this keyboard for a while now. At first, let's keep the keyboard aside for a moment and check the box contents. Upon unboxing, you will receive a user manual, in English obviously, and 3 switches which are RK's own Chartreuse switches, a keycap puller and a switch puller, and a type A to type C cable. All pretty generic stuff. Now coming to the keyboard, we get a dust cover which I really appreciate. The keyboard itself is a 65% keyboard, and for all the knob freaks out there, yes, it comes with a knob. The case color is grey, and the keycaps are XDA profile double shot PVD keycaps, which I'm not a big fan of, but the color combination looks clean and well done. The side profile looks really sleek, and around the Type-C port you will notice 2 extra engravings indicating where the Bluetooth switch and 2.4 GHz dongles will go on tri-mode version. Overall, the keyboard feels lightweight and it comes with a hot swap PCB. The RK R65 is gasket mounted, which makes the typing feel more flexible and helps reduce the unnecessary noises, and it also comes with 2 stage adjustable rubber feet for height adjustments. And for the knob freaks, the knob has a nice tactile feel, and through the RK software it can be customized for volume or other controls, but I won't be covering the software part in this video as I feel these are too much hectic for me. In the arrow key blocker area, they have also added 3 LED indicators for Win-Lock, Caps Lock and Mac mode, which is a great addition. Now let's have a look at the RGB. Even though I'm not really an RGB fan, I must say it looks pretty good. The RGB looks really bright and evenly spread, with plenty of modes that can be toggled using the usual keyboard shortcut. Well, the keyboard looks really aesthetic on my desk and is a beautiful keyboard for the price. Truly, RK has leveled up in the budget segment. Now let's move on to the sound test. So yeah, this was a super short video. Overall, the RK R65 is a great value for money keyboard, especially for beginners. And this keyboard is easily recommendable. Thanks for watching.